making hot chocolate, and I know you haven't seen me older kind of like this, but last time I was 5, but now I'm about to turn 7, but right now I'm 6.
Okay, so what are you going to do today?
Make hot chocolate.
Ooh. So we're going to be making hot chocolate today. We are trying to make those hot chocolate balls that you see everybody making all over. And so we are going to try to make those. I just got this in the mail. I got this from Amazon. So today's going to be our first day. We got our milk chocolate and vanilla milk chocolate, chocolate to melt, marshmallows to put inside, and I thought I had some other stuff. And then this is like the hot cocoa that we have to put inside. This is the salted caramel from Starbucks that you can use. And then let me see the other 2 packages over there, Charlie. And this is the other one we got. You know, that's that special chocolate, that special mocha chocolate. And then I got these. This is the mint hot chocolate Coke.
Oh.
The mint hot chocolate. So we're going to see how it comes out today. So that's what we're going to be doing.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Oh, yeah.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Mama, get man.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Okay, let me get this chocolate out of here. I think it's about ready.
I'm gonna show the people.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh, this chocolate already like trying to form or something. Okay, so you know what? Let's get it out of here. So our chocolate is already kind of like starting to form. I don't know. It's kind of lumpy, but I'll figure it out next time. This is just a trial and error episode. Okay, this is really hot, so don't touch it, okay? Because this is really hot. So
But you're gonna put
this is the silicone thing just to show you a little bit more up close. And I'm going to try and let's get to camera. Let me see. I don't know how far I can go. Let's see. And let's do it like this. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to mix it up. It's already getting kind of tough, so probably did this wrong, but I know you're supposed to like pour it in each one. I know you can't see. I don't know how these are going to turn out, but we're going to roll with it. Oh gosh, that might be too thick.
And then when mommy and me usually, and when the bowl is done, we usually lick it.
Girl, that's for cake. I don't know about for this, girl. We're going to see. Okay, so.
But there's chocolate too.
Mine isn't pouring as much. I'm glad we got this thing right here. Are you ready?
I was about to say.
Oh, okay. Let me try this out first, Mima.
Okay.
I think you're just supposed to, see how I'm doing that? You're just supposed to kind of like scoop it up. Oh, and I have something we can use. Hold on. Where is it? That's when I saw everybody else use this little thing right here. So you see how you're supposed to just like, I think you're just supposed to like make the shell. Oh, Jesus. You're just supposed to spread it around like this. Okay, so let me see. I don't know. That might have not been enough. So maybe I did need to pour more in there. I don't know. But we working it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me pour a little bit more in here.
Yeah. Because this. Okay, that's enough.
You think that's enough? Okay. All right, Charlie. We working it. We working it. We scooping it around.
See, you have to do that spot next.
Mm-hmm.
There.
We want to make sure that that's covered, I think. I don't know. Okay, so let me try this side. Let's see. I think I put a little bit less icing. Yeah, I could have put more icing in this stuff. Okay, I mean, chocolate.
Is chocolate chip. Something. Turn it into chocolate.
And turn it into chocolate, huh?
Yeah.
Our chocolate is kind of weird, but pull some in there. Probably gonna need some in there. Glad we put this paper down, huh, Charlie?
Yeah, because some things are gonna drop.
Okay. That one's kind of gonna be lumpy because I can feel a chip in there. Okay, let's see. But they say to do like this. So.
Oh yeah, I see the bump where the chip is.
Mm-hmm. But you want to put enough. This is kind of hard.
Yeah, it's not hard for me.
It ain't. I bet it's not.
Whoop. Lick the board.
Hold on, Mimo.
It's a regular video today.
Okay, I'm gonna pour some more chocolate in the other ones, and I need you to do it. You think you can handle it?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in that one. You see how Mommy did? So you do it. You don't stir it. Come on. You don't stir it. Let me show you. Yeah, I'll help you.
Am I near my chair?
You can see. Twirl it. Very good, Char. Okay. Take your time. Not fast. Remember Mommy told you about taking your time? All right. You did good. Okay, scoot back. And I'll do the next one. Yeah. Okay. I think that's good. Hold on, let me see. It's like I don't want none of the.
I think that's why you put.
Don't. We're not eating any of the chocolate, girlfriend. All right. So we did. So they said make sure this part is clean. Get it.
I know how to play music.
You do?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song?
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Okay. So now y'all can see. Y'all can kind of see that. So now we have to put these in the freezer for about 5 or 10 minutes. So we're gonna put it in the freezer, and then we'll be back, and we're gonna see if it freezes. And this is the. Actually, no. The hardest part is gonna be making the molds come together, so we'll see. But we're gonna go ahead and switch it. So we're kind of doing this thing this year that supposed to be Friday nights, but at least because today it just ain't gonna happen like that. Today it's Saturday. So we every weekend we wear our matching pajamas. So I didn't have my own, they have mine on. So they call it Sister Out. So alright, I was gonna leave my collar, popped up. I got my fit on, but I'm gonna turn the collar down. But it just made me think, everyone has so many family traditions, and I know this year's a little bit different, but let me know if you have any family traditions that you usually do that you're still going to do in spite of, or maybe something new that you're doing this year. The whole pajama thing, this is totally new for us this year, and I kind of like it, and it's fun, and it just kind of brings, a little bit of unity. So it's really fun, something new. But let me know some of your family traditions. Y'all, we have so many different devices up in this house. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna just stretch it out a little bit like that to kind of make it come out easier. I saw this on a video. You just stretch it out some to kind of pull the molding away from everything. So we're gonna see how it comes out.
Oh, it's starting to break.
You see that? Okay, so I kind of did that, and now I'm just going to, I'm so afraid because oh, look at that. Okay, look at that.
Whoa.
Actually, you see that? Let me put this over this so that we don't mess that up.
Daddy, come on, look at this.
Oh.
So see how it's easily popping out?
Oh.
Yes. Sorry if it's not good angles, y'all, but y'all know I'm not a cooking show person. But look, I guess this is why they say use gloves. Maybe I should put my gloves on, but look. Yep, because you can see the fingerprints. Okay, so let me try some gloves, guys. Hand me some of those gloves there, old Dan. Oh, this is still kind of like. So we're gonna put some gloves on here. I'm going to war. I'm a no limit soldier. I thought I told you. Son is Elps, ready to hold up. Okay, let me see. This one. These are coming out really easy, but I think I could have, because I probably made them so thick, I probably could have kept them in the freezer a little bit longer. Like that one looks kind of dented. Yeah, I definitely probably could have let these stay in the freezer. But just coming right on out. Be careful. I'm not trying.
Whoa.
Let me just take them out, okay? Deal? Don't keep touching it, Mama. Just let it be. Okay, let's see. Okay. Kind of janky. Did I get all of them?
No.
Oh, I got one more. I didn't even see it over here. Probably because I made them too thick. Shouldn't be afraid of.
I'll just
Okay. So that's that. That's the one part. Move that out the way.
two part.
We're going to do a little hot chocolate. There's 2, 4, 6. What kind of chocolate do you want? You just want regular hot chocolate? Yes, you do. Okay. I'm going to pick it up with the regular hot chocolate.
Whoa.
And I think some people do 1 tablespoon, so I'm gonna do just 1 tablespoon. This looks like a good one. Maybe half a tablespoon. I don't know. Depends on your mold, I guess. Maybe. We're just gonna do.
Tip it over. It's tipping.
It's okay if it's tipping. We're just gonna do regular hot chocolate today, because I don't know. Oh gosh. Okay. So then you're supposed to warm up a plate so that it gets warm, so that you can like melt it together. But let's get your marshmallows. Let's see if these will fit.
Okay.
Yes, get a small, like a sauce. That'll work. Charlie, if you do this, only one gonna fit in here. Well, you know what we can do? We can do this, and we can put some little marshmallows around it. How about that?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
Okay, help me out here, partner. Get some marshmallows.
Okay.
Not a lot, because you have to fit in here. So put them like around
Like
the
a
side.
circle.
Okay.
Okay. Here, there you go. I'm gonna plate up empty in my room for like about 30 seconds. See what's popping. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay. Very good. Okay, very good.
That's it.
That's it for you? Okay. Try to get them in the middle, I think, so I'm gonna put some in here. I'm just putting, I don't know how many marshmallows, but just like, I don't even think that's a whole handful, is it? Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 Mike can do it. I don't know, maybe depends. They said try to put your marshmallows in. Oh yeah, move back. Go back one more. Okay. Oh, here. There you go. Let's see. This is hot. Well, kind of hot. So they say you're supposed to like touch this. Let me get you a good circle. Touch this to kind of make it like melty. Yep.
Start in the middle.
Then you just go around it like this. See what I'm doing? Just spread it around like that.
Oh.
Now mine's looking kind of crazy with my fingerprints and stuff on it, but yep. Okay.
You're doing it.
Yeah. That's
Still stuck together though.
It's okay. Now warm up some, get some milk.
That's
Warm up
neato.
some milk. Warm up some milk on the thing.
That's a circle.
That's a circle. Sure is, girl. You smart.
It's in the fish grade.
I don't know, like.
How much?
Now imagine if you. Put the saucepan in like 2 cups of milk. But we need to take a picture. Well, Daniel can take a picture with his. Oh, I didn't take a picture. Let's see.
All her fingers.
Daniel. Okay.
All your
This is how we looking.